Good morning. Today's April 2nd, 2026. Currently about 8:53 in the morning. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Simple Stocks. Good morning, friends and fam. Listen, let's get ready to dive on in. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Listen, last night, Trump spoke. What did we learn? Nothing new. There is nothing new that he told us last night. And the market does not like that. We do not like what? Uncertainty. All we learned was that he's actually told other nations, you want your own oil? You need oil? Go get it yourselves. It's almost him saying, I'm done with this bullshit. So at the end of the day, that's all we learned, and that was nothing new. It's the same thing he's been saying. So look, the S&P's looking like them and the Nasdaq are both looking like they're going to open down at least 1.5%. Treasury yields are high, and the 10-year yield is up 3.3%. And what is the big move? It's in oil, you guys. Oil is the big move today. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see where we're at. Look, we're still trading this March 23rd candle right here. So we're currently at the 618, which is 244.30. And that 244.30 is very crucial, you guys. Because remember, a few days ago, we said if we start to lose this 244.30, we excel all the way at least down to challenge this 239. And they've been holding it up, making sure every time they came close, they did not fall. So today's going to be very interesting. Initially, my initial thoughts right now is I think they're going to try to buy this up. They're going to try to get back to the 50, which is 246.14, and which they're currently doing right now. I'm not opposed to calls into this candle here, which is 246.80. So calls into this area here because you got this big candle here. But just know that's where I think you start to struggle. The moment they start closing candles above, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, maybe above 247.68, think that they're going to try to sell here. The moment they get here, this is where I am definitely short. I am definitely short in this area here. There's no question in my mind. Anything above this area here, I am short. Okay. The thought is we will go like this. We will pop, come back down, lose this, start trading this. This is our target area, and then we can actually start to see this target fulfill today, 239.68. We have a very long weekend. Those are my thoughts. The only thing I can say to you guys, be nimble, be cautious, head on the swivel, as we like to say in the trading world, but let the play come to you. Look, if you're going to ride this up from the 618, this is 244.30, this area here. If you're going to ride this up, just make sure, look, take 30-40%, man. I had some people that was trying to say, hey, ride it all the way up, give me maximize profits. You're not guaranteed to get here, as they've been showing us they're not guaranteed to fulfill the gap. Another thing that we were doing yesterday in yesterday's video, what did we say we were doing? We were shorting anything above 241.50, I'm sorry, 251.50, and then 252. There's a few of us that's going to wake up with some nice profits from overnight. I can tell you that. 300 to 400% gains right off the bat. So, hey, you guys, I will be taking my profit the moment market opens. I'm not guaranteed to go any further than what we're at, and I think they're going to try to bounce this a little bit, okay? So at the end of the day, that is my initial thoughts. When I pull this up also, you guys, I do want to show you guys this. We filled these targets. We got target 1. Filled them overnight, 246.06. We still got target 2 on there, which is at 243.14. But look at the dot, look at this diamond. So they're saying they're definitely drawing oversold conditions. So again, be nimble. Or if you want, be patient. See if they can't fill this gap. You know what I mean? If you listen, if you're gonna take on this call, maybe buy 10 contracts, get to here, sell 8 of them, let 2 run. That's my thoughts. So well, whatever you guys decide to do, obviously just be cautious, be nimble. Have a game plan. That's the biggest thing. Other than that, you guys, good luck trading today. We have a very long weekend. Another thing I was looking at was Let me pull this back up. The VIX. We got this little indicator showing that the VIX wants to drop on a 30. So just expect the VIX to come down a little bit. And let's move from there. Other than that, listen, if you guys have questions, direct message me, give me a call out, a shout out, whatever you want to do. Another thing I want to point out really fast, look at this daily simple moving average for the 50-day and the 200-day. We are about to do what, you guys? We are about to cross. And that looks like almost like a death cross to me. So, hey, keep that in the back of your minds as well. And again, this is a daily, you know what I mean? So, let's see what happens, you guys. Look, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's move.